What is up, everybody? I got a couple mystery packs to open today. I got my Ray-Bans on, so I'm gonna shoot a little couple YouTube shorts with those at the same time. But this one is Ron English. It's these Andrew Heath's frozen culture. It looks like an ice cream stick, basically. Ron English, this is his edition of it. He makes some dope art. It's got a lot of like skulls in it. This one is like your favorite like fast food people. So the grin is what he's famous for. It's the grin with the skulls inside. But then you got like Fat Tony. You got a Mickey Mouse one. You got mixed supersized, a star skull, and a mystery one. So we're gonna open that. And then when I was at the Esne Museum, the Silent Film Museum, they had some Creature from the Black Lagoon mystery packs. And then you can get one of these 4 or 5 including the mystery creature. So we're gonna open these and see what we get. So first, let's do this Popaganda, Ron English's Popaganda mystery vinyl toys. I found this on eBay I won it for $1. Shipping was $5, so $6 total. Not so bad. Let's start the glasses up and see what we got. So Andrew Heath's frozen culture, Ron English's Popaganda. And it looks like we got the grin. You know, the bite's taken out of it. I'm actually excited about this one. Not too shabby. I love it. Our mystery box here, the blind box for the Creature from the Black Lagoon. This was made by Super7. Comes in the black bag here. It's dope. So this one's like one of the most common. You get 3 in every 12, but I love it. Creature from the Black Lagoon. So, a quick little unboxing. Couple mystery packs. I'm not mad at it. I'm out here in Salinas. Just met up with my co-worker. Did some pass-offs, and now I'm headed to my next stops. So, thank you for joining me. As always, until next time, peace.